Today in this video we will learn how to code a Wi-Fi hacking simulation program with Python by using print-in commands.
First, we need to create a folder to store our project. First, open your file manager. You can create the project folder wherever you want, but for now I'm going to create the folder in my documents directory. Now right click and select new and select new folder. You can name it whatever you want, but I will name it as Wi-Fi Hacker Simulation. Now close the file manager. Now open Visual Studio Code. If you have not installed Visual Studio Code on your computer, then go ahead to the website and download it. It also supports ARM version, which means you can run it on your Raspberry Pi on Windows 10 ARM version. You can use other text editors like Atom or even Sandbox. I'm going to skip the installation process of Visual Studio Code because I have already installed it.
Now, after the installation of Visual Studio Code, open it up and click on the Files tab and click Open Folder, and navigate to the folder where we just created the new folder and click Select Folder, which will make whatever project we make to store in the folder which we selected.
After selecting the folder which we created just now, we need to create a Python file to start coding in Python.
Click on the folder drop-down which we had selected before and click on the Add File icon and name the file as whatever you want, but do not add spaces to the file, and add the .py file extension at the end, which will create a Python file, and hit enter. At the same time, VS Code will automatically give you a notification whether you want to install a Python extension or not. And now this Python extension will help us to debug codes and run codes in your VS Code environment. Hit install and it will also ask you to install Jupyter extension. Click install as well, and that's it. As we have finished installing everything we need, now we can start coding.
I'm going to fast forward my coding because it takes a lot of time to just show all the coding in this video, or else the video will become big and boring. Instead, you can download the code from the GitHub page, link in the description below. All the print-in commands content can be changed according to your desire. You can also change the text in the print-in commands. The time.sleep command is used to create a certain amount of time period between the execution of two elements. The import time command makes it easy to add a custom amount of time to the time.sleep command. The from random import command helps to fetch up a random letter
or a digit and print it in the message box.
After finishing writing the code, let's debug and test it if it works or not.
I am running the code on a mobile device because I had problems with the Python SDK. But the code works on both the computer and the code editor like Decoder on the mobile device. At first, it will ask you to type start to start the process. After that, it will ask you to type in your Wi-Fi SSID. As you can see, the code runs well and all the print-in commands work properly, as if I am hacking a real Wi-Fi. And yeah guys, please subscribe and like if you got the video helpful, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing, and also if possible please share the video, because from which I can get more subscribers and views, which makes me motivated to post new videos. Thank you.